Hello. Okay, this one is it's just asking you to complete the square, but then it's asking you to put it in a special form at the end. Sorry, the TV's on in the background. But it says, what is the intermediate step in the form x plus a squared equals b as a result of completing the square? Oops, sorry. Completing the square for the following equation, right? So you start with the equation, x squared plus 15x equals x plus 98, right? And then when we complete the square, it always just looks like the regular old trinomials that we factored in the past. So I'm going to sort all the terms so everything's together on the proper side of the equal sign. All right, and then I'm going to move him over. So now I'm starting with the trinomial that looks like this. Okay. Excuse me, I'm eating. Okay, so then if I wanted to complete the square for this guy, right, I would draw my t-chart, and then I have x squared here. And then I have 14 x's. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to have 49 dots in here to complete the square because I've got a 7 by 7 kind of matrix there. Oh man, just pretend I have 49 dots, okay? 49 dots. There's 49 dots here. Okay. So I borrowed 49 dots from here in order to complete the square. So I start with negative 98. I take away the 49 that I used to complete the square. And then, sorry. All right, so I've got negative 98 minus 49. That's going to give me negative 147. So I would have x. Oh, wait, how many are here? 7. There's 7 down here. So I would have x plus 7 squared, and then there's minus 147 left over. So then remember that we sorted everything over to the left-hand side of the equal sign. So this is kind of the trinomial that we were starting with. So we're still on the left-hand side of the equal sign. The answer here, the question is asking you to put it in a structure where you have the binomial squared on one side and then you have the constant on the other side. So I'm just going to move this over to match the structure of the way that the question is asked. And then I have 147 over here. Okay, so the answer should be 147 in here, pending I have not made a terrible mistake because I am eating and TV is on. Okay. Nothing this hard is going to be on the test. They are going to ask you to complete the square, but I'll already give you like the trinomial and it'll look like this and it'll be like, okay, complete the square, something like that. I would suggest drawing it to make sure that you get it right, and it'll just be something more straightforward like this on the test. Okay.